Morning students, I am your GK teacher, class 3rd, subject GK, page number 7, topic word. Now previously I had given you information about your related topics. So now today we will discuss, repeat again with the summary. So one by one you will see carefully, though the student had not done previously. So now I will see the answer. This is the cover page of your book. See and observe carefully. Start of GK volume 3. Another page is contents of related of your book page wise. Now here see and observe carefully. Another second page of your book also written is here. Yes, with topic wise page number also here. As it you will check. Another, now we will start here page number 7. Word. Question number 1. Look at the picture below. The name the circled parts in the word. Okay, now here you will see and observe one by one. First of all, you will see now so many points of here. This is the first point. Yes, now here being, and second is beak, and third one is now your feather, and fourth you will see now here, and another is so many picture also here. Yes, neck, cheek, egg also here. So you will observe carefully. I will give the answer. Previously I had given. See and observe here this summary properly. Observe. Next, yes, written the answer is here in a circle. You will, as it you will write down in your box. Previously I had given. If you more discussion and see, and now here I will again repeat it. So I will repeat again, and now here. So you will see first is I will mark is here. First is now wing, another is beak, and third one is feather, fourth is claw, and now fifth is you will see here. Now here, yes, now egg, next, and cheek also here. You will see according given the information about here related topic in circle, you will write down character wise as for word in a box, as it you will write down in your book, my dear. Previously I had discussed, now here already. Yes, so now already I will give again and already repeated here. So you will see and observe carefully. Next, see and observe. Yes, another second question, how are baby words on? This is second question number, the picture already below in the correct order. You will see and carefully. First image also here, another second also, and third, fourth, fifth. So I will discuss again. Yes, see and observe. I will write down the answer. Previously I had discussed. See and observe now here shortly. Yes, now this is boxes also here. See and observe. So many boxes also here. Yes, with answer I will repeat again here. Yes, how are the baby word on? Answer written here and in boxes. Coding is here 35214. So first of all, number wise, first number I will mark is here. Yes, first is the mother word bede. Next, another second is the mother word lay egg. Third one is that another mother word keep the egg mom. Fourth is that egg hatch, and the last the mother word feed the chick. So I hope do you understand about the written answer, as it you will write down in your book. Previously I had discussed, and see and observe carefully. Okay, my dear student, do you understand? This is image also related for your work very carefully. So I hope do you understand. Read, observe and watch another. Next, yes, previously I had given the information related topic, both question answer completed according to this page. See and observe. Next, yes, this topic all about animal. There are 5 different categories of animal. Let us learn about more information as it. First of all, we will discuss according to mammal, another is reptile, bird, fish, and downside you will see amphibian also is here. Yes, now one by one we will discuss this here. Yes, first of all, yes, mammal give birth to young one, have the foreleg or arm, have hair or fur, their body, breathe with lungs. Reptile live on land in water, mostly lay egg, skin in dry with lungs and bird. They have beak, wings and two legs. They lay egg. Most birds fly, but some do not. Most live on land and some in water. Fish live in water, do not have the leg. Most have fin swing. They lay egg, breathe with gill. And the last downside you will see amphibian. They live on land and water, have the most smooth skin, have the web feet, and they lay many eggs. So now here already given information about related topic. First of all, see the animal all about. Yes, now here I will repeat again. Mammal. Yes, most important commandment here is the one is here. Young one give birth to young one, just like a human. Another also here. Yes, tiger, etc. The bird also mammal give birth to young one. And another is reptile live. I will repeat again. This is yes, live on land, dry scale and with lungs. And bird. Now I will repeat here. Wings, two leg, wings also, lay egg and fly, but some bird not fly. And another fish live in water, do not have leg, fin and for swing, and now leg, lay egg and breath with gill. Another amphibian, they live on land in water, have mostly smooth skin, have the web feet. Another, they lay many eggs. So the most example is here as it. Yes, what example? You will see and observe. Yes, this is yes, frog. Another, yes, fish. Another here, yes, in this picture you will see bird. Another, I will repeat again. See and observe downside. Yes, mammal. Here, example. Yes, in picture you will see tiger. And another, you will see here. Yes, reptile. Also, snake is here. Another, yes, see and observe carefully. Previously, I had discussed this given information about animal. I hope do you understand. So now, next you will see. Yes, now here, now read the clue and the name following animals, color, answer. Now here exercise also. First of all, one by one we will see and observe the comments. One is it can live on land and water. Use. Yes, now you will see here carefully who's that. Yes, now here it can live on land in water. Frog. Second command is a large had an eye owl, and it is fastest running animal on earth. Yes, horse. And fourth, yes, it's type of fish but does not lay egg. Yes, dolphin. And fifth is the fastest swimming and strong teeth, crocodile. And the sixth, fish big size, just like cat, catfish. You will according write down, you will see the name. According color code also, mammal for yes, red color for mammal, green color for reptile, yellow color for bird, orange color for fish, and blue color for amphibian. You will fill in this given boxes after writing character for word. Okay, now related. Yes, now you will see. I will give the answer also. Next, see and observe. Yes, just like you will see, answer is here. First, yes, you will write down. Yes, frog. Another. Second, owl. Third one, horse. Four is dolphin. Fifth is crocodile. Six is catfish. And according after writing of the character of word, so that time you will fill after writing you will fill color code according given exercise, and just like you will write previously I had discussed, same you will write the character according to given information. I hope do you understand. See and observe. More discussion if you want to, you will see my previous video also. And now this is the simple summary is completed. So I hope I will start the second part of this. Now see and observe. Yes, part 2, page 10, topic book. No, it's mean that now a place where lot of book will be there. Book no is that now. Yes, see and observe. Yes, now start. Now here across word and downward we will first of all see and observe here. Yes, take a book at your bookshelf and see and have you and fill that according to given information across. Now here across word downward also written is here commandment. So according I will help you. See and observe carefully. Observe. Next. Yes, one by one. Yes, point 2 noted here. First of all, across the day-to-day record to event, the personal activities diary, a collection. Number 2, a collection of, yes, related to cooking tips, cook book. And third one is book is cartoon, comic book. And 4 is a book that person write tell story, autobiography. And now 5th is a short yes, related to children story, nursery. And now 6 is here a book related to map, atlas. And 7 is that a story of the person life written another person biography. And 8 the story of which animal speak like just a and human as that. Now end of the lesson. No more. Well, is that clear? I hope do you understand. Written work answer you just like you will write previous exercise. See and observe. Yes, next. Yes, previously. Yes, now here book no. You will write down according commandments is here written. First is diary. Second you will see now here book. Third one is you will see here now a comic book. And 4 is now you will see auto. Yes, biography is here. And 5th is yes, nursery. And now is that 6 is atlas. Okay, I will repeat again. 6 is atlas. 7 is now here biography. And now 8 is fable. Is that over? Previously now previous across word downward also given information about here word by word. So you will fill this character wise in this boxes one by one. And 4 yes, information about here already helping word also written previously in your yes commandment with your commandment. So now I hope do you understand. As it you will write in book no exercise as it you will write down in your book. Okay, I hope do you understand. See and observe. And another this here also you will write as it in your book across and downward in front of across and downward. And another is see and observe. Another page I will start. Here is workforce. First of all, one by one command is here. I will give so many pictures are here. See and one by one observe. Yes, first of all, the first command he does experiment based on science. Who's that? Scientist. Yes, I will mark is here. Scientist. Another he designed to construction a building. Architect. Yes, architect. And third one is he can repair the machine, motor car, mechanic. Is that clear? Another we will see and observe another commandment. See and observe here. Yes, who's that? There is she look after patient in hospital. Nurse. She gave pupil beauty treatment. Beautician. 6. He gave advice. Lawyer. He building stone and brick. Yes, mason. Another is we will discuss is here. Another commandment is here. Remain C. And the last 8, he bake bread, baker. Yes, I will mark is here. Another he act is there, theater, actor. Yes, C. And he travel the space in spacecraft and astronaut. So my dear student, and the last is over this. Yes, given information about related to this page wise answer also written is here. You will do according to here. I will repeat one by one. Yes, as it you will do. Previous picture also you will do, and this picture also you will do. So I hope workforce in this page wise you will do. Write down. Yes, read the clue and circle correct answer. Is that clear? Already given is here. As it you will write down. I hope do you understand? See and observe. Do you understand? See and observe. And the last, do you understand? See and observe. Okay, I hope. Please, my dear student, thank you for this video, and you will do carefully write down the question answer according to given information with circle page wise, and next time I will discuss for related given command. Thank you students. So I will repeat again first part, another second part. If any problem I will discuss another video, and before another page wise topic wise discussion next video. So that time I will discuss again, revise first part and second part also will repeat as is shortly, and then I will give the answer. Thank you my dear student. Thanks.